Hello, I'm Katharine Jeffcoat with Portland Pediatric and Family Nutrition. Today I have a special helper, my daughter Maeve, and we're going to make one of her favorite smoothies to show you all, which makes a great snack for kids. And so the ingredients we have today is peanut butter, and we have milk, cocoa powder, and of course a banana. So first, I'm going to let Maeve be my wonderful assistant here. If you add the milk, please. Thank you very much. Next, let's add the cocoa powder, and I have 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Nice job. And this is 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and you may need a little spatula here. Oh, good job. And then banana. Do you want to open that for me? Can you open it? Okay, why don't you just break, first before we even started this, we washed hands. Very important step. So go ahead and break it off and stick it in there. Whoa, okay. Let's go ahead and get the rest of that in. Oh yes, cover your mouth if you're coughing. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that in, then we'll add the ice in a little bit. So we'll go ahead and push the button there to start it up. You ready? Yes? Mm-hmm. They're right there. And it's best to do a frozen banana, which we didn't have today, but go ahead and add your ice. This adds it nice and, whoa, okay, yeah. There we go. Kids need a little help. We got it. Okay, go ahead and push your button. Blend it all up. Let's do that one. Oh, nice work. Should we give it a little try here? Okay. We have I like to call this the chocolate.
Me this one. I want this one.
Okay.
You
need a straw? Yes, you're my straw girl, aren't you? There you go. All right. Well, bon appetit. I hope your littles enjoy this as much as mine, and stay healthy.